Huwag kang mag-alala. I'm not going to make a scene.
Then what do you want?
I just want to end things properly between us bago ako umuwi ng Pilipinas.
Oh, alis ka? Saan ka pupunta?
Malayo. Malayo sa'yo.
Leon, hindi ka pwede umalis.
Sino may sabi?
Sila Yuri.
Kahit wala akong utang sa kanila. Go ahead.
First, Jacobo Luis Salazar, gago ka. Gago ka. You said you let me finish.
Wala kang oras para
You
dito,
have to
Jan.
listen to me. Because you owe me this much. Second, I just want you to know that I don't hate you. Kahit sinaktan mo ko, niloko mo ko, I don't hate you. Kasi nung nakita kong pinaglaban mo siya, I knew you love her. At kung hindi mo siya pinili, and we ended up together, yun ang mas malaking pagkakamali. Kaya third, kahit masakit, I am letting you go. Yun lang.
Jan. I'm sorry. And thank you.
You're welcome.